Good morning. We're going to make some sausage balls for breakfast today and for snacks for later on. I've got a 2-pound package of Jimmy Dean sausage mix. I'm going to throw that in there. I have 4 cups of shredded cheese. And the recipe calls for biscuit. The biscuit is loaded with carbs, so I'm using Carb Quick, which 1 serving of this only has 2 net carbs, whereas biscuit has 24 net carbs for the same amount. And the flavor is the same, so we are ready for that. Sausage balls are back on the menu. So that was 1.5 cups. And I'm going to put some fresh cracked pepper in there, about 1 teaspoon. I'm putting this in my KitchenAid, putting it up and locking it. I have my dough duck on there, and it's going to be mixing around. Before I got the KitchenAid, I would have to mix this by hand. It would take so long, and my hands would be so worn out. But this is a lifesaver. Look how easily it's mixing this up. So, now that it's started, we'll turn it up. And I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute when it's all mixed. Alright. We have this nice and mixed up. So I'm going to get a cookie scooper and make my little sausage balls. Put them on a pre-sprayed pan. This one is one of the broiler pans. That way all the grease goes down underneath and the balls get crisper. And they taste much better that way. In my opinion, they're not as greasy. So I'll continue doing this and I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, that's the last sausage ball. This actually made 58 little sausage balls, which around our house, that goes really quickly. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and I'll see you back at about 15. Man, those look good. Nice and crispy. There you go, a fantastic breakfast of meat and eggs. Oops, we don't have eggs with this, but we will cook eggs to go with it. So give it a shot. It's really good. Hi, I showed taking the sausage balls out of the oven a minute ago. What I forgot to show was the second pan of them. This made a double batch for our family, so I put half of them in the freezer for another time. Nice and frozen, and I've loosened them from the pan. I just put them in a Ziploc bag, and then I'll put those in the freezer, and the next time we want sausage balls, all I have to do is get them out, let them sit for a few minutes, and bake them. Making a double batch of something is really a time saver. I try to do that with a lot of the items that I cook. When you've got a lot going on, you need to do whatever you can to save time. So I hope you like that little tip. Like, subscribe, and enjoy.